Welcome to the December digital issue of Kitchen Garden magazine. We're out filming some videos for you. I've been writing about I've been writing a new series actually in Kitchen Garden for those flower lovers amongst you. We'd like to grow a few flowers on the allotment, and also trying a new variety of carrot, which I really recommend you try. What have you been doing, Emma?
Well, I've been judging the Passionate Plotter competition.
Oh yes, yes.
We've all been looking at those, haven't we? And
look forward to
we've
that.
got the results of those in the issue, and we've also got the results of the Mammoth Marrow competition. We've had some whoppers,
We've had a lot of entries,
whoppers
haven't
sent
we?
in to us, so we've got the results of those.
Yeah. And how about you, Tony?
Well, we went down to the Glee Gardening Trade Show a couple of months ago, and we looked at some exciting new products for 2018, and we've got a roundup of what they are for this issue. And we've also been giving you a few ideas about Christmas gifts that you can buy for your loved ones. And so look out for our product review, 7 wonderful products that you can have a look at and see whether they'd suit someone you know.
Yeah, so there's all that and a lot more, and we do hope you enjoy the issue, and thank you very much for downloading it.